Check out that old girl. Then if you turn this way, got an old Porsche 944. Two of them, side by side. Got an old Mercedes. Old Vets. Camaros. IROCs. Coronets. Comets. Old Ford pickups. It's unreal what you can find on the side of the fucking road. Lined up, all ready to go. Crazy shit, man. Crazy fucking shit. Old MG, $750. I ain't telling you where all this shit is, because you don't need to know, because I used to work here and the guy's a fucking asshole, but he's got really cool cars, and that's all that matters.